Exposed. How Big Pharma makes healthy people sick, and what you deserve to know. Let's be honest. People love conspiracy videos. They go viral. They stir outrage. They get clicks. But this isn't about outrage. It's about ownership. Because the truth isn't black and white. It's blood and money. It's healing and harm. It's lives saved and lives left behind. Yes, Big Pharma has problems, but so does every sector. There are greedy CEOs, just like there are corrupt pastors. There are unethical doctors, just like there are crooked politicians. There are wolves in hospitals, just like there are wolves in churches. Greed is not a pharma problem. It's a human problem. But don't confuse a broken system with a lack of good people. There are doctors who lose sleep over your side effects. There are pharmacists who fight for your discounts. There are researchers who dedicate their lives to finding cures, not cash. But they're often buried under boardroom decisions, marketing campaigns, and profit margins. So no, this is not a conspiracy. This is a call to see the full picture, to tell the truth, even when it's complicated, and to make better choices, not louder accusations. Because healing won't come from blame. It will come from clarity, from asking more questions, from saying, I deserve more than maintenance. I deserve a chance to truly heal. This is PharmacyFYI, where medicine meets meaning, and truth is never optional.